Hello students, I am Arun Pandey. I am going to discuss class 10 subject biology. Our first chapter, the fundamental unit of life, cell. But this entire chapter is divided into there is 6 parts. Part 1, living organism are made up of cell. Part 2, discovery of cell. Part 3, microscopes, instruments for viewing cells. Part 4, cells. Part 5, basic structure of a cell. And Part 6, cell organelles. But today we are going to discuss Part 1 and Part 2. That means living organisms are made up of cells and discovery of cells. I will make clear to all students that in the next video we shall discuss about part 3 and part 4. So, we are going to discuss part 1, living organisms are made up of cells. That means all living organisms made up of numerous microscopic units known as cells. Means all living organism means organisms that are alive. That means living organisms that are alive are made up of several teeny units known as cells. So I will give another definition of cell that will be cell is the structural and functional unit of life. The word cell is derived from the Latin word. The word cell is taken from the Greek word that is cellula, that means a little room. A living organism may exist as a unicellular organism or multicellular organism. Unicellular organisms are those organisms which are made up of only one cell, and multicellular are those organisms which are made up of more than one cell. Unicellular organism just as amoeba, and multicellular organism are example as human body. A group of cells together perform a specific function and constitute a tissue. That means a group of cells which perform a specific function, which have a special function, that is called tissue, and tissue aggregate to make an organ, and organ together make organ system, and entire the organ system make an individual. So how body of an individual made up of, I told. That means cell made tissue, tissue made organ, and organ made organ system, and organ system constitute finally an individual. Now we are going towards part 2, discovery of cells. Robert Hooke, an English scientist, observed a thin slice of cork. Robert Hooke, a scientist, which observed a thin slice of cork under his self-made microscope. Robert Hooke made self-made microscope, and with the help of that microscope, he observed that cork resembled the structure of honeycomb. That means comb of honey with a teeny box-like compartment. He looked teeny box-like compartment stacked together. That means attached together. That means hook. That means Robert Hooke called this compartment as cell, and he published his own discovery. His own discovery he published in his own book Micrographia in the year 1665. So once again, now we discuss some inventions. That means simple light microscope was invented by Antony von Leeuwenhoek in 1674, and another nucleus is invented by Robert Brown in 1831. Next topic, cell theory. A cell theory states that all plants and animals are composed of cells, which serve as the basic structural and functional unit of life. That means, what is cell theory? Cell theory states that all plants and animals are composed of cells, whether plants or whether animals, all of them composed of cells which serve as the basic structural and functional unit of life. The theory was presented by two biologists. This theory, that means cell theory, was presented by two biologists named as Sliden and Swan. The observation made by them led to the concept of cell theory. That means led to the confirm the concept of cell theory and laid the foundation of modern biology. But in 1855, R. Virchow, that means Rudolf Virchow, a German biologist, made an addition to the cell theory, made one thing another add in the cell theory, and proposed that all cells arise from pre-existing cells. He said that omnis cellula e cellula, that means all cells arise from their pre-existing cells. The cell theory consists of the following postulates. There are some postulates of cell theory given by Sliden and Swan. First postulates are living organisms are made up of cells. That means all the living organisms are made of cells. And the second is cell is the structural and functional unit of life, which is also the definition of cell. And once more postulates given by Sliden and Swan in the cell theory, all cells arise from their pre-existing cells. All cells arise from their parental cells. And the last, the postulates of cell theory, life of every organism starts as a single cell. So thanks.